What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. But before anything else, follow us on our Facebook page, the 6-Man Podcast _benchmob. Might as well say it early. Kasi ang bilis ng conversion, no, Graham? Parang pag minimension natin sa start, mas nag-ano mga topics. Of course,
Yeah,
everyone wants
people
to
tend
start.
to follow, yeah.
Pero may different tayo today. Something different. This is going to be our first ever volleyball podcast. It's something na tinis na nitong dalawa na to. Now, they wanted to do more because first of all, Graham is a PVL game announcer. I think a lot of you guys have seen his TikTok kasi yung followers mo, Graham, are volleyball fans, right? Because of the pulse that you've been doing with your TikTok, while
Yeah.
Mario naman is with Gaidon follows volleyball because of his work naturally with the school paper. Boys, ano nangyayari? Ako naman, I'm someone new to volleyball. It's something that I'm learning. That's why I will let these two take the lead and I will react as a fan na bago. So, excuse my comments. I really am new to volleyball. These two naman are the knowledgeable ones. So, kung may alam kayo sa sagot sa mga questions ko, keep it to yourself or put it there in the questions sa comments kasi I'm new.
Well,
Disclaimer, I'm new.
guys, we finally made it. We finally
here.
made it to the volleyball
We're here.
episode of the UAAP. And I think the proper way to start a volleyball episode about the UAAP is you gotta start with the team from Taft, the De La Salle Green Spikers, Lady Spikers, I forgot what it was. No, Green
Green
Spikers is
Spike.
the men's team.
Green
Yeah, Lady
Spikers.
Spikers, yeah.
No, they're both green, I think.
No.
They're
La Salle is
Are-
pag women's Lady Spikers. Pag
ladies na sila.
Lady
Okay.
Spikers, tas yung sa men's.
What happened to the
Green Spikers.
alphabetical, Mario? You just don't care, right?
Yeah. I thought,
Pero
Bro,
these
which
are the
guys
favorites, right?
Adamson first.
LaSalle are the
They are.
favorites.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we can start with the
yeah,
favorites.
Let's all are the favorites, man. Dude, whatever we talked about before we started recording, scrap it. We're going.
I don't mind starting with LaSalle kasi, di ba, if you're gonna introduce a sport to someone, they're always gonna ask, who are the favorites? Sino ba yung team to watch out for? So, these
Yeah.
guys told me, watch LaSalle. They are the favorites for this year.
Here.
La Salle is the number one team in the league right now. It's not even close. They have not lost a game yet this season, man. And it's just last season kasi, ang problema with La Salle is yung setter nila was not great. Di ba, Graham? Where'd you go?
Sino yun? Sino ulit yung setter last season?
Last season, I think it was Nicole.
Si Reyes.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
This letter M, di ba? Nicole.
Yeah, Nicole. Then yung sister ni Mika.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. She was an okay setter, but I don't think she really got yung footing niya under Coach Ramil's system. This year, their setter is different. I think Graham, can you check the name? I think it's Nunag.
Yeah, si Nunag, who's a candidate for
Best
Rookie of the Year.
Yeah. Very good setter, dude.
Yeah.
It's night and day talaga. And
Shan.
Shavana and Angel, man. Shavana's on another level this year sa tingin ko talaga. She's gotten better. Shavana's gotten better than years past. And honestly, it kind of pains me na yung federation kasi ni Shavana is Australia, Canada. I forgot.
Kaya hindi siya pwede sa alas, gano'n.
Yeah, di pa siya nag-aalas. I'm not sure which country it was. Basta, iba ang federation ni Shavana right now. If I'm remembering it correctly, ha. And I hope one day, it's the same thing what they do in basketball, diba na? We hope that these people can end up becoming locals for our country. Kasi, man, she is really, really good. Dati kasi ang problema ni Shavana was that yung service errors niya are pretty big. Medyo may error siya dati ng service line. But now, she's a lot better receiving, a lot better at serving. It's an alas thing that parang pwede siyang kapalitan ni Solomon if I'm understanding their positions correctly. I'm not really that knowledgeable dun sa positioning ng players, but then a huge asset sa alas if ever she's able to get to that point.
Bro, you mentioned Solomon. How I wish we got Eliza Solomon. I think Finorgo yata ni Eliza yung last playing year niya, di ba? How I wish we got Eliza Solomon. Sila ni Belen, who by the way wants to be called Micaela. I was told by Signal, I was calling her Bella the whole time. Sabi, pwede po bang adjust natin to Micaela because she
Did
wants to
she
be
like
adjusted as
personally go
Micaela.
to you guys pag ganun na the player will go to the GA and be like, "Sir, pwede ba?" Or
Mm.
may
Oo.
assistant from the team that will like, "Sir Graham, si ito request."
Yeah, it depends. Yung kay Belen nang galing sa Signal eh. So I guess sinabi
They
niya
would
sa
tell
Signal
you.
and then hindi agad nakarating sa akin. But
But
apparently she wants to be called Micaela
Micaela.
at
so
this
did
point.
she ever go up to you? And in that moment, what did you feel? Were you like starstruck or?
No. Hindi. I mean, bro, this is kind of side topic, but Belen is something else. She's something else. She's bringing people to watch the PVL. She's so good.
What
But
team is she
going
in?
back to
Sorry, we're in
Capital
UAP,
One,
right?
Capital
yeah,
One.
Capital One,
So,
and
what?
they're gone. They're
Gonna
gone
glow.
yesterday. Tapos na sila.
Okay.
Eliminated. But to DLSU's point, I wish we got Solomon and Shivana. Na
Did
ganito
last year.
kagaling si Laput. I mean,
Yeah.
we did, di ba? We did. Pero iba si Shivana Laput ngayon. It doesn't matter kung saan manggagaling yung atake sa likod, sa harap, di ba? She's a good blocker. She's I mean, no shade, but she's the better athlete.
Whoa.
I mean,
In the
step
Laput
aside
family?
your
Oh my. You're
Parang
comparing.
tama nga. Parang, kasi I've watched Chev a few times already. I think I would say she's the better
No
athlete.
James Laput slander is allowed on this YouTube
Hey,
channel, brother.
I am not lying when I say that. She's so hard to game plan against.
Mm-mm.
Kasi I mean, she has to be the main option. Pero
Yeah.
yun na doon sa kabilang side, si Angel
Kanino?
kanino naman, di ba? Which is, it's just so low.
Is Angel kanina naman dito.
Like,
Right?
Alas,
I mean, it's
one of
just
the Alas core members.
Tapos alas
it's
sa
like
isang
having
school.
it's like having an investment. I own 50,000 shares of Microsoft. You know what else I own? 50,000 shares of Apple. So it
Actually,
doesn't matter.
that's a good.
It
ano nga,
doesn't
that's a
matter
good.
to me what happens. And then papasukan mo pa nung setter like si Nunag. And I don't know if I can call her underrated, but she is not. In face card wise, she's top tier. Amy Provido is she's a good middle blocker. She's following I know. She's following the trend of, great DLSU middle blockers, di ba? Sila Majoy, sila Mika. Now we got Amy.
Maria Lipa.
I know, I'm forgetting. Oh, Maranyo pala. Sorry. How dare me
How can you forget Abby
Maranyo?
Maranyo?
But yeah, right? So that's the thing, brother. They're just so loaded na silang DLSU men sa basketball. kahit sino, you can put on the court and will contribute. And we kind of talked about Shannon Nicole Reyes earlier, pero
That wasn't a shot.
second year na ba niya?
Bro.
Yeah, no,
Hindi
it's just
Night and day.
Reality. I think it's
Bro,
reality.
yeah.
Many people will agree with me when we say that naman.
Yeah, I know.
But I think another person na medyo underrated for DLSU is Reterta. I think Shane.
Yeah.
I think it's pronounced Shane Reterta.
Yeah, Shane.
She's like, if you have Shane Reterta as your fourth option, that's a stacked roster. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
That's like Austin Reeves being your third option or Austin Reeves being your fourth option. That's what Shane Reterta is for DLSU. And I don't know how many years both Chev and Canino have left. But Shane Reterta is in that line of, okay, ako yung papalit sa kanila. And even in now,
Yeah.
nagkaka-contribute naman na siya. And I'll say this right now. I don't think DLSU drops a game, man. I don't think they drop a game this season. I think it's step ladder all the way. I think we're gonna see a step ladder heading into the playoffs, man.
Yeah, the barometer kasi for me was the NU game.
In the first round,
it wasn't really that competitive. Although what was that in the fourth or the third yung hinabol ng NU. But it really wasn't that competitive. Balikan ko lang si Nicole, brother. Mahirap kasi yung pinalitan niyang posisyon eh. Alam mo yung lineage ng DLSU setters, 'di ba?
Yan talaga yung
Julia
mahirap.
Coronel, Mars Alba, 'di ba? Tapos
So high expectations
before
agad.
Bro,
Michelle
before that,
Cobb.
that's Michelle Cobb, Kim Fajardo.
Michelle Cobb. Yeah, 'di ba?
Dude,
It's like there's nothing that I can compare sa DLSU setters. Like if you're a setter from DLSU, then you have a place in the pro league. And
Parang di ba si Coach
it, it
Ramil last year, he was saying comments sa parang, oh, basta you giving shots ba kay Nicole sa press con na hindi kasi kami ganun kaano ngayon sa setting. May mga ganun ba siyang,
Yeah, I
meron di
remember
ba?
that last year.
There
I
were a
remember that last
few
year.
na medyo subtle shots.
Yeah, it was just like Byron mentioned na alam naman natin na weakness natin ng setting. Parang ganun. There's
Yeah,
nothing.
ganun. Okay. Yeah, those are what
if
I
you
remember.
yeah. If you play for Coach Ramil, you have to have thick skin. Kasi bro,
Di ba si Oliver
Michelle
Almagro din?
Cobb,
Di ba
the
dapat
team
ganyan din kay
captain.
Coach O?
Yeah, but bro, iba si Coach Ramil. Like,
Iba
Michelle
ba?
Cobb and Julia Coronel, pinagagalitan talaga sa huddle, di ba? Alam mo yung pag may timeout sa volleyball, di
Pero
ba?
lahat
Maririnig mo
pinapagalitan
talaga
niya,
kung
di
ano
ba?
yung-
He doesn't choose
Lahat,
anyone. He's
bro.
just like, I'm gonna,
No.
kahit
Bro,
mali ka, mali ka
It
eh.
doesn't matter. It doesn't
Bro,
matter.
in their last game, I forgot who in DLSU's last game before the one today against UST. In the huddle, right? He said, "Alam niyo kung ano yung problema niyo? Ang problema niyo kasi hindi pa gising si Shivanya." He literally said that in front of the whole team.
Hindi
Ah,
pa
yeah.
Hindi pa gising si Shivanya. Gisingin niyo nga to. He said, "Dude, only some coaches have the balls and only some coaches have the what's the
When
word?
did he
Have
say that?
the
What game to?
That was their last game. I forgot who it was against. I think it was against
Bro,
Adamson.
meron ngang-
Adamson.
Oh yeah, over the weekend. Bro, may
Yeah.
tumatak nga sa akin, pinagalitan niya si Julia Coronel. Sabi niya parang, bakit yung Big Shivana mo binibigay? Kasi yun yung gusto mo. Di ba? Parang, kasi para sumagot si Julia Coronel na parang ito ata yung option, best option.
Exactly.
Yan kasi gusto, right? You
It's
have to
hard.
have thick skin if you
Mhm.
play for Coach Ramil, who's, I mean, it has to be, he has to be the GOAT at, I mean, in volleyball coaching sa mga Filipino, di ba?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the LSU. I agree with you. I don't think they're dropping a set. Sorry, a
They dropped
game.
a set.
They dropped a couple of sets already.
The first set they
But a
lost
game?
this season came from Ateneo, by the way.
Oh
Just-
yeah. Oh yeah.
just,
Well, I mean, yeah, that's right. That's right. But they're the LSU, man. They are back as the dominant force of the
Yeah.
UAAP. And they've always been there. They got season 85, pero ito I think I'm not seeing a nail down the road, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I agree.
It'll just keep on going.
A while ago, man, you mentioned NU, so I think we can talk about
We can
NU.
move na to NU.
Bro, let's first we're gonna talk about two things, right? Number one, Sam Cantada.
Yeah, Sam
Cantada.
Cantada. Sam Cantada is
elite.
amazing, okay? But we also have to address, why is Lamina not getting
Nakikita ko yan sa
any
sa mga
minutes?
Facebook post na si Lams
Brother,
Lamina was
Lams
getting benched,
Lamina.
di nagagamit daw na maigi or something.
Lams Lamina is the best setter in the UAAP. Or
Yeah.
at this point was the best setter in the UAAP, I guess.
Sino na ngayon?
Who's the best setter now? I can tell you who it's not. But
I can tell you it's not.
I would say right now, who's the best setter in the UAAP?
Bro, to me, kahit di siya naglalaro, it's still Lamina.
It's still Lamina.
Si Lamina pa rin. Kahit, mas magaling ba yung setter ngayon ng NU than Lams? Or what do you
Dude,
think?
No.
we don't know what's happening in that camp,
So pati
brother.
kayo naguguluhan as
Suspect
someone who
the follow.
follows.
In
There's
no
expect
world,
to-
in no
to
world is
follow.
Lams Lamina. Last playing year na ni Lams to, ha? This
Tapos
is her
binench
last
pa.
playing year. And now you're gonna bench her after she was distributing the ball to Bella Belen and Eliza Solomon.
Micaela.
All of- Oh yeah, Micaela Belen. I'm so sorry. That's on me. That's on me. It's not like a Mr. Pablo thing. No, that doesn't matter.
Yeah.
This one I actually do follow.
Yeah.
she
This is
asked
her
for it.
request.
This one is the one of Mr. Pablo. That's just some bald-headed dude's request. Right.
Yeah.
Dude,
All right.
in no world is Lams Lamina supposed to be coming off the bench. At the start, I think people said na may injury siya.
Okay. Yun yung start nga daw.
Second
Nakikita ko
round
nga
na eh.
yun.
Until now, di mo pa rin siya start? I don't think so, man. In my opinion. And NU still is good. We're not gonna pretend like NU's bad, dude. Sam Cantada, Vangeline Sug are as great of a duo as you can have. They're probably one tier below lang the Canino Laput duo, but one tier below that, or maybe even half a tier below that, that's Cantada and Alinsug. And the thing that makes me a bit sad is medyo nag-slow down si Sam after nung injury niya,
Yung
right?
injury against UP.
Yeah. But in her last game, I think she dropped 32.
Yeah, ano ba yung laban na yun? I can look it up. Was that against UP? Yeah, yung UP game yun, bawi nila sa second round.
Yeah,
That was when
32.
she exploded.
That's
Yeah.
an insane number, man. For a rookie, super rookie yan, man.
Yeah.
NU is just getting diamond after diamond, dude. Solomon, Belen, then you get Cantada. Before that, they had the Santiago sisters, or yeah,
Mhm.
and then I that's the last
They had
kid.
Laxina
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's
and
like
Nierva. That
yeah,
was
Jen
season 8 before,
Nierva.
di ba?
Yeah,
Yung
Jen
malakas.
Nierva. Even the libero of NU now is good. Is it Nazareno? No, it's
Oh,
not.
si ano? What? No. Who was
You should
that?
have the stat sheet
Si
right in front.
si Shaira.
Yeah, I genuinely don't remember her last name. But then yeah,
Si JRD.
NU has the pieces talaga. But I think there's a little bit of a coaching thing right now that's people are going up in arms against. People are kind of annoyed at their coach right now. And obviously I'm not from NU and I won't pretend like I'm great at volleyball. So I won't say na but it's a topic people have had. But all I will say is there is no world where Lamina is not your starting setter in the UAAP.
Bro,
So
people
it's
are
a
calling
mystery.
for Coach Regine Diegas
Regine
there.
there, Coach Regine
This is her
there.
first
Yeah,
year,
di ba?
right? It's her first year.
It's which surprises me na it's probably a creamline thing with Coach Sherwin Meneses na parang bakit niya iniwan yung NU after leading them to the championship, di ba? I mean, Coach Sherwin Meneses was the coach last season.
Mhm.
Tapos umalis siya bigla. But man, I'm telling you, there are a couple of PVL teams that would gladly welcome Lamina in their roster. She's
Yeah,
right now a pro
Capital One.
setter. I'm
Top
not
3 pick yan
gonna
sa tingin nyo?
I'm not gonna talk about the PVL. Okay, I may lose my
Yeah.
job. But
Actually, you may
are
lose
a
your job.
couple of teams.
You're right.
There are a couple of
Hirap.
teams na would gladly have her. Capital was a good example. I mean, her and Belen like, reuniting in Capital One, di ba? That'll be great. But yeah, I mean, I think she's gonna be a top 5 pick depending kung sino yung mga papasok. Pero kung based on what we know right now, she's guaranteed top 5. Probably top 3. For me, someone has to step up because this is still a loaded team. Panike brother is the X factor. If Ara Panike is because I remember Panike, I covered that game against Kazakhstan. She went wild.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that. I remember that.
Pilipinas.
Yeah.
She went wild and nobody saw that coming. If we get that kind of Panike, let's say 66% of the time, because if she does that 100% of the time, then she's Shivana Laput. But if she does that like 2 out of 3 games, especially in the big games, then they have a chance to kind
Upset.
of make it a little bit difficult for DLSU because they right now it's still say they're the second best team in the UAP. Pero Lamina has to get the playing time. You're telling me that if Gia Morado at the time or Kim Fajardo at the time, last playing year, ibabangko sila ni Coach Ty or ni Coach Ramil, di ba? Or Dina Wong by Coach O, then that's kind of crazy. That is really crazy. Again, we're not coaches here. This is kind of not our expertise like basketball na alam natin yung paikot-ikot. But Lamina deserves more playing time. We're advocating for it. No, nothing else, Coach Regine. It's just that she deserves to
Just that
play
she's
it
the
out.
best setter.
Yeah, she led NU to 3 titles as the setter, diba? 4 years in a row. The Lady Bulldogs are in the finals.
Yeah.
And you should not change it until it's proven otherwise that she cannot be the best setter of the team anymore. So yeah, I agree. Maybe if Lamina gets more playing time, they can beat TLS in round 2. But until then, di ba, tinalo sila na FEU in 5 sets. They were on the brink of doing a reverse sweep, pero FEU is one of those teams that are in contention. I'm just saying na you could and Pono is not a bad setter. That's the thing. She's
Yeah,
not a
she's not a
bad
bad fan.
setter.
She's a,
It's just that Lamina is on another level. Nag-national team na nga ata to si Lamina if I'm not
Yeah.
she was
mistaken.
behind Gia.
Alam,
She was behind
nakita ko
Gia.
nga.
Yeah, okay. Oh, see? Then what's stopping you from putting
I
Lamina?
remember what I saw before was something like, sabi nila, they're preparing NU for when she's gone. Ang point ko lang is, andyan pa rin siya.
Yeah,
Like, this isn't the time to prepare when they're
right.
gone,
I
man.
know. I
We
know.
we win
Yeah.
championships by year. We don't- what do you, it's all good.
This is not a long-term investment. Like we
You
lose
they
this
have
season,
5 years
we
to
lost this
play,
season,
brother.
di ba? Right? I mean,
Like,
yeah. It's hard to comprehend, but hindi naman natin pwedeng questionin yung coach. What I'm saying is,
yeah.
she knows this team probably better than Coach Regine because Coach
Well, she's
Regine
been
has
here
only been
longer.
here for
She's been here
Yeah.
longer.
yeah,
Funny. I
exactly.
like that one. That's a good line. But yeah, we mentioned the two contenders. I think we mentioned DLSU, we mentioned NU. I think at the top, the third best contender, I would argue, is Adamson. No,
No, what do you
not
mean?
Adamson.
FEU.
Okay, fine. I'm a little. I'm a fan of FEU, but I think Adamson with Mordi and Nitura are better.
And
But go ahead.
Nitura.
You can talk about FEU.
No, they're FEU. This I'm telling you, Coach Ramil is the best coach in the UAP, right? That's undisputed.
I would say.
Coach
Yeah.
Tina Salak is the second best coach in the UAP. Coach Tina is a very, very good coach, both sa pro and sa UAP. She motivates these girls to work hard, even sa preseason, sa V-League, sa Shakey's. They are, she knows how to bring the best out of her players. And Coach Tina was a good player back in the day din naman. But to beat NU, may isa pa sila, did they beat UST? I think did they beat
FEU?
UST sa first round? Oh, no, talo pala sila sa UST. Yung pala yung surprise sweep. But they are dangerous. It's like, how do I position this? They're like, siguro yung NU men's this past season yung sa basketball na parang, they're always overlooked, di ba? But they're low-key good. You do not want to see them really in the Final Four, although DLSU wanted to see NU at any given point in time sa basketball. But all I'm saying is they're a good team. They have weapons. Faida Bacanque is
Faida Bacanque very
is
strong.
dangerous. You give her the right set, it's gone. That's automatically a
Bounce
point.
ball.
Gusto ko yung
Bounce
it's
ball,
gone.
bro. That's
Yeah,
bounce
medyo
ball.
nakukulangan lang siguro ako sa I'd say sa outside because I think you can squeeze a little bit more from Devasora and Lopez.
I think what happened was that they lost what's her name, diba?
May na-injure sila na player eh.
No, from last year. The one who got drafted into the PVL.
Si
Asis?
Asis?
Yeah, they lost
she's a
Asis,
very good
who
player.
is
But may na-injure sa si Lopez ba yun? Yung na-injure sa FEU.
I don't remember. I'm not very sure. But I know they lost kasi Asis.
Bro, ang galing ni Asis, man.
Asis
Super
is good.
galing ni Asis.
Yeah. My thing with FEU is I love their middle. I forgot. Elerina? Is that her name?
Si Elerina, yeah. From
Yeah,
NU.
Elerina. I think she's pretty good as well. But you're right. I think the whole FEU thing boils down to how well is Bacanque playing that day.
Si Petalio man, yun na-injure.
She's also very good.
Yeah, she's
also
good.
very
Yun yung kulang. Which
Yeah.
I'm surprised kaya paano pala natali NU. But yeah, go ahead.
But yeah, dude, I think Bacanque is the one who kind of sets the tone for everything. How well they're gonna play in a game. Kasi she's their main weapon, especially now that yun nga, they lost Asis. And like you mentioned, na-injure si forgot who you just said. And then developing pa kasi si Lopez and si
Yun nga.
Devasora.
Although Devasora I think is in the twilight zone of her UAP career. Pero
But
yeah.
she's been playing behind Asis
Yeah.
for a minute, man. So yeah, but Bacanque is gonna have to be the main person in this scenario. Walang glaring hole ang FEU for me. I don't think they have a glaring hole. Like Like again, sa
Mhm.
DLSU, they don't have a glaring hole. They had one, they fixed it with the setter. NU, we believe there's some little gap there dun sa setting. Sa FEU, they're formidable, I think, in all positions. It's just kind of about putting it all together, to make it all happen at the end of the day
Which is why you don't want to see them
in the playoffs.
in the final four kasi parang what if that is the night that everyone contributes. Bakangke is
Possible
like
trap
Divine
game,
Nadili.
yung FEU. They're a possible trap game for a
Man.
first seed.
Brother, like
Isipin mo na freebie yun, pero hindi talaga.
na parang
Kala mo
FEU
freebie.
lang pala.
Next thing you know, bakit tayo may do or die with
Oo.
FEU?
Yeah.
Yun yung mga
Yeah.
team na ayaw mong kasabot sa do or die, man.
That's right.
Yun
Well,
yung-
si Bakangke is like Adili for me. Like, if he plays well or if she plays well, like Divine Adili if he plays well.
Adili. Look at this man pulling
No.
basketball
No,
reference.
that's a direct comparison. And
Okay,
then
fine.
Mario.
Had a little shake in there, I'm not gonna lie.
Mario, you think Adamson's better than UST?
UST? Yes. I do think Adamson's better than UST.
Then we have to talk about Adamson next.
Adamson's better than UST?
Yes, Adamson is better than UST.
How so? Who did they add new from? Or it's just the core
It's-
lang na mas
Nobody,
gumaling?
they didn't add anybody
Oh.
new. But Mordy has developed into a star for Adamson.
Yeah.
From
Last
parang
year-
a role player last year, di ba, na maasahan lang and stuff. Pero ngayon, you actually go to her.
Dude, last year medyo pechay si Mordy.
Sucks lang si Mordy nga last year from when I was watching.
This year, patay kung patay ang bola kay Mordy. Like that thing is dead. If she gets a good swing on it, that's a bounce ball, brother. And Shaina is gonna be Shaina Nitura. The battle between NU and UST and Adamson can go either way for me kasi they both really have the pieces. But I give the edge to Adamson talaga. Kasi the form UST is showing, especially kanina, I just watched UST play against DLSU kanina. Sometimes UST is just so inconsistent na hindi mo talaga malalaman kung gaano sila kagaling. Kasi they have pieces also. But I will talk about UST later. But for Adamson, man, I think it's really just Mordi and Nitura. Those are the two people talaga. Nitura is really, really good. Like, she's insane, man. And then, again, like I said, Mordi has developed into another level of a volleyball player. Last year talaga kasi medyo parang, how do I explain this? Last year, in terms of in basketball terms, last year she was Obasa. This year she's Adili. That's how I can kind of explain it, I guess. Na may improvement talaga.
It's a big
As
jump.
in, it's fine. I really think it's a big jump. I really think it's been a big jump, man. But yeah, and then when now we move on to UST, I get why you.
Hey, didn't let me talk about Adamson.
Oh, I thought
really have
you
some
were-
things to
Kala ko
say.
tapos ka na rin. Okay.
I thought you were
Go,
done.
go. Ano pa sa Adamson?
No, I mean
But you
the
mentioned
reason-
UST first, so I was like, all right. I was like, maybe he wants me to get Adamson over with.
No, I think I'm with you na with Adamson over UST because in the clutch when you need a point and this is no shade to Poyos or to Jurado or Perdido. There's just more weapon from Adamson na kahit nasa likod na nga si Nitura, the improvement was there. Their setter sa Gaysay is a good setter. I think that's also their team captain. And then solid rin naman yung solid rin yung gitna nila. Si Todao,
Tudao?
yung number 3.
Todao.
Yeah,
Jenny
she's
Tudao.
also
I think it's Tudao. I'm not sure.
Todao ba?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Parang yung Suarez
ano?
lang no? Si Source.
Source.
Well, I mean, I wasn't corrected at the time. But yeah, the solid rin yun si Todao. And even yung isa pa si Dote. I also like si Eloy Dote. But in the clutch, I think of all the players in the UAAP, you'll give the ball to Shaina Nitura. That's above Canino. That's above Laput. That's above everyone that we have.
Oh, I don't know about
Shayna
that
over
already.
Kanino?
I don't know about
Uy.
that.
You have Shayna
Yeah.
over Kanino?
I don't know about
Yeah.
that.
Second year ni Tura?
Hey, Nitura's
Yeah.
good. But I don't know
Yeah,
about
but over Kanino? Yung,
I don't know
yung-
about giving the ball to them instead of
I-
everyone
I-
else. I see it. I see where you're coming from, but I don't know
Yeah,
about that.
it's debatable.
It's debatable. I'll
And
give
the
you that.
fact that it's debatable for second-year players speaks a lot.
That's right.
Okay,
It's
okay.
like
There you
it's like
go. There you go.
That's exactly what I'm saying, 'di ba?
Can't
Parang
disagree.
okay, 'di ba? I mean, we know Kanino, we know the name, we know Laput, but the fact that you had to think about Nitura means that she's already there, and
Napag-isipan nga naman ni Mario. He did
yeah.
think about it
So
for a
yeah,
good
that's
10
probably
seconds.
what puts them above UST, which now we can talk about. Thank you for giving me a couple of minutes.
Yeah, no problem. UST man, Poyos or Jurado or nothing. That's what it feels like to me. Uh, uh, there was a running joke last year. There was a running joke last year that Bianca Plaza,
Yeah, but wala pala si Mayora ngayon season. I saw
she was
wala
there.
siya, just
She's
didn't.
still in UST. She was in
No, kaya nga pero wala siya sa
she,
lineup.
I think they changed her with Unekwe, or I'm not super sure. Unekwe? Basta
That's their si Plaza, si Mayora yung ano nila
si
yung
May,
lucky
dude,
charm nila diyan
there are people
Si
who made
Blessing.
fun of her, and I'll admit there was a time where I was laughing at the joke they were making too. But it was funny because when at the start of the season, when UST started 0-3, if I remember it correctly, or 0-2, one of the two, people were saying na baka si Plaza pala yung lucky charm nila, or siya pala yung yung glue nila to stick together, man. And I don't think that's true. But this year they don't look as they don't look as steady or as stable as I thought they would be. Kasi man, in a year when you when teams lose major players and you lost Belen and Solomon, like we mentioned before, right? You'd think the UST jumps right into top 1, top 2 conversations, di ba? But there's been a significant let-off sa tingin ko. There are
Wala na si
games where,
Banagwa, bro, which is big.
yeah, it's
Si
a
M
pretty big loss.
Banagwa.
Pretty big loss. Yeah, you're right, you're right. But like, there's been a significant drop off, I think, with Carvalho. I think
Oh
her
yeah.
set medyo may drop sa setting. She's still a very good setter. I'm not gonna let's not say that she's not a good. She's a very good setter pa rin. Maybe top 4 in the league, I would say, in setting, right? Not count of starters, of starters. Um, but like there's a significant drop of Poyos has her games where she's on and off talaga. People have said na even Det has
Nababasa ako ganun. Kay
right?
Det daw. Kala
Yeah,
ko
I've
ano lang,
seen.
selective lang yung nababasa ko. Pero even you read it rin pala as well.
Yeah, dude. People have said that Det is lost a step a bit in this one.
That's
So
factual though.
I haven't I can't she played pretty well,
I mean,
guys.
she was better kanina, yeah, but she was better last year. Last year talaga, and even the season before that, wala talagang lumalapag na bola, man. Alam
Would
niya
you
ni
have
Belen.
said na
Mm.
she should have declared for the draft already? This could have brought down her stock a little bit. Or talagang right move to
Uh,
stay for one more year.
Here's the thing with people like that Pipito, man. You know how in the PBA, even if they're not like Sean Ildefonso and Dave Ildefonso, yung mga people who will get you the views, man. Even if their game drops off a little bit,
Okay lang.
people,
Like,
yeah, those people can get you the sponsorships, the views,
so
the
parang
clicks.
okay.
Like even if her game has dropped off a little bit, she's still a really highly touted recruit because she
Okay.
provides a lot both on and off the court sa advertising pa lang, men. Like those are I think that's what a lot of people fail to realize minsan dun sa um uh sa PVL or like even in the NBA. Sometimes, man, the big markets need names. like
I agree.
like Luka had to go to the Lakers. You know what I mean? Something to that.
He had to go to the Lakers.
He wasn't gonna stay in
Yeah,
Dallas forever.
I
Like,
get your point. I get your point there, man. But for me, hindi ko rin masisi that kasi, I mean, heading into season 88, I mean, pagtapos ng season 87, you would think if you're UST na, it's our time.
exactly.
Ayaw na ni Belen, ayaw na ni Solomon. Lasal did
Ayaw
look
na ni
very
KQ.
promising in the end. Yeah, right. Yeah. Exactly, 'di ba? Tapos there wasn't really we know LaSalle will be great, but we didn't know they will be this great. We thought this will be what we're seeing from LaSalle is what we thought UST would be this season. Um, I I I understand the drop off sa laro ni Carvalho. But Poyos too. Poyos has really struggled at some point this season na hindi natin nakikita the season before that. Even yung season 86 when she got hurt in the finals, di ba? So I think for that gusto niya lang talaga ibalik yung corona sa Espanya. They have an outside chance, very, very little.
Outside
But the
chance.
way, very, very little. It's just if you're a UST alum, that's just the hope for you. But if you're looking at it, if you're a betting man, then don't put your money on UST because at this point, they're not really playing good
You're a betting man.
volleyball like we expected them to. I'm thinking na factor ba na si Coach Shaq took over kay Coach Coach Kung Fu, di ba?
Yeah.
Coach Kung Fu stepped down, who by the way brought San Beda to the Final Four, which is great. So that speaks to his program and his training. Pero that could be a factor, di ba? But we'll never know. All I'm saying is at the beginning of the season, I told you all it's USD's season to lose. But it
I
looks
like how you
it's
said,
this one.
you told us all, this is our first volleyball episode. What
No, I
the-
told you sa group chat,
Sa
di ba?
group chat
Hey,
natin,
di ba,
sa group
nagta-
chat natin.
Yeah, wait, there was a group there. Hey, are you a member of that group chat? Yes, you are, right? So you should have seen it. Na I
Pagalita ka
thought
pa
it was
tuloy.
UST.
No.
I thought it was UST, bro. And newsflash, I was wrong.
Bro, I have to talk about that game kanina between DLSU and UST, man. I don't know if you guys watched it, but I was there because of course I was there, man. I love watching Ateneo volleyball games.
Oh yeah.
But before that game, I watched the DLSU.
You have to watch Ateneo volleyball games.
Hey. Thank you, Gaidon, for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you, Gaidon.
My editors are listening. Gab, Ayin, thank you so much for placing me in this coverage team, guys.
My
But,
goodness, this
Man, DLSU was losing 12-19 in the third set. 12-19 in the third set. After winning the first set, they lost the second one. Third set, they're losing 12-19. Okay? Final score of that set was DLSU 25-23.
Yeah.
Okay? And there was a moment in that set where... Are you guys familiar with the issues of Varsitarian?
Ano issue dun? Lagi sila may issue every year eh. Ano yung this year?
There was an issue with Varsitarian where they released an article about what's it called? They released an article about the UST volleyball team and what they think they can improve on. And their assistant coach commented on it. Or yung assistant coach ng volleyball team commented on it saying that they shouldn't do that. Parang I don't know the name of the assistant coach. But you can check it out, man. And that kind of a lot of people didn't like what he said in that one because to them, it's free speech. They're a journal, even in Gaidon kami, we write takeaways also. Like we speak about what we think is getting better, what we think needs to be improved on. That happens talaga. But this same assistant coach kanina, I don't know, Graham, can you tell me yung rules sa PVL? Mid-rally, are you allowed to challenge?
Yeah.
Mid-rally sa PVL pwede.
Yeah.
Mid-rally,
Sa UAP
like-
ba bawal? Yeah,
like
like,
mid-rally,
you really stop.
you stop the
really
game.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa UAP, bawal yun.
Kailangan tapusin mo tapos hahabulin
Kailangan
mo kung
tapusin mo
nasan
yung rally.
ulit.
Tapos,
That's
I think yung sa UAP follows yung sa FIVB.
F5BB. Yeah.
Oo.
I know. It's a
And-
hassle.
Yeah, but anyway. So that's the rule, right? And at that point kasi, the game was, DLSU was inching back in. They were only down 1 point na lang at that point. As an assistant coach, I think your job is to know what the rules of the game. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
and the same coach who commented sa Varsitarian to tell them to stop doing that, challenged mid-play. He pressed the buzzer mid-play. And that was the turning point of that set, dude. All of a sudden, the game was tied. All of a sudden, the game was tied in that moment. And you could see it in the I follow a lot of volleyball Twitter, by the way. I see a lot of volleyball Twitter. So most of the time, if you guys if I say something that sounds familiar,
Galing
it's
sa
probably
Twitter.
because I agree with what I
Okay,
saw
galing
on
sa
Twitter.
Yeah.
these people were asking for this guy's head, dude. They wanted him.
That's an automatic point sa kalaban
Automatic
pag
point. Automatic
okay.
point. Kasi you stop the play
Okay.
mid-play. Like, and they had I think what happened there was they had a valid thing na the ball did touch the floor. I do agree with UST. It did touch the floor, I think. The problem was, wait for the play to end. But he didn't. And it kind of costed them the game, if I'm being honest with you. Kasi after that, wala na. Man, momentum is fully with DLSU. Fourth set, it was domination. 15-14. 25 to
14.
15, 16, something like that, man. And it's just those tiny things which I think UST fans of volleyball, and actually volleyball in particular, are very, very supportive of their team, man. Alam mo yung sa basketball, Ateneo, UP, yan yung mga teams na medyo maingay. Or and yeah, and DLSU, yun yung mga maingay pag basketball, di ba? UST isn't that loud in terms of basketball when we talk about it, right? Like their crowds are loud, but they don't really
Recently
comment.
though.
They don't really comment on issues and stuff, right? You know what I mean? They don't call for heads. You know what I mean? But
Iba
sa
yung
volleyball,
standard nila. Iba yung
oo,
standard nila sa
yung
volleyball.
volleyball, iba. Kasi they're used to being some of the best teams, di ba? So this one was just a terrible mistake, man. And it in that moment, I felt like it was scary for him to leave the court. Kasi
Yeah.
it's like it felt like Ismael Romero after he tried to kick Nick Demusis in the head. You know, like people wanted his head, dude. And I don't know, man. For UST, I agree with Graham. They have the pieces, man. Even off
Are
the
they
bench,
number
they
4
have
right now?
five.
5.
Five ata. Kasi DLSU, NU, FEU, Adamson kasi won kanina and UST lost. So I think that's the ranking. And
They're
then,
Magnolia right now.
oh,
Yeah, they have the pieces,
Oh.
just not winning.
Oh. It's the
and
coach.
a lot of people are calling for the coach of the head of their coach also. I think their coach is Coach
Coach Shaq?
Shaq. Yeah, Coach Shaq de Santos. Yeah. So yeah, dude, have the pieces. They even have a lot of depth on their lineup. Unekwe. I'm a big fan of Altea.
Yeah, she's
I'm a
good.
big fan of Bron. I think her name, not LeBron, Bron. Like I think her name's
Lebron.
Yeah, I love
Not
calling her
Viking.
name sa preseason kasi bro.
Are you reminded of your glorious
No,
king?
of
You're like,
Your
course,
glorious. Of course. My
By the
glorious
way,
king.
Mario, speaking of terrible mistakes and scary to watch, let's talk about Ateneo.
I
You
love
mentioned
watching
kanina, it's
Ateneo.
a
They're fun
terrible
to watch.
mistake.
I like watching
guys,
Ateneo.
I'm so sorry. You know, I've done my hardest. I've done the best job, if you ask me, of stopping myself from cursing on this podcast. But just give me this one, Graham. Fuck off.
I
Man,
mean,
you don't get it, okay? You don't get it. Just let me do this one, man. I'll talk about the bright spots.
Yeah, bright spot.
Ana Hermosura, future, even maybe
She's
current UAA. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, I still need a job. Uh, um, Ana Hermosura, current, future UAAP star. Donna De Leon, future best middle blocker. Gian Chuatico, future best middle blocker probably also. Zel Chunashima is is a really good player for
Ilang
Ateneo.
years pa si Tsurashima?
She has one last playing year.
One
sa alam.
last pa.
She
What?
has the option for one last playing year sa alam ko. And these people I named, Chuatico's in her second year, Donna and Anna are rookies. And if I'm remembering it correctly, I saw online they've gotten the commitment of Brianna
Si Ang.
Ang, yeah,
Ang galing ba yun? Is she good?
sobra daw. Sobra.
Ano siya?
Yeah,
Ano
magaling.
position niya?
I genuinely
Maybe
don't know.
outside hit.
MB or outside? I'm ko winger siya eh. Pero kanina, when I was talking to somebody, he said middle blocker siya, which I'm not sure. But
So incoming freshman
5'10".
siya sa next year.
if matuloy ang
5'10".
commitment niya,
She's a middle blocker.
If matuloy yung
MB siya.
commitment.
MB siya.
Yeah, MB.
Yeah, MB. Oh, so that's gonna be kind of weird
They
next
call
season.
her as defensive dynamo. Wow, what
She's insane. She's insane. But
she's really good.
it kind of becomes hard because you have Chuatico, De Leon, and Ang, if ever. which could be fixed if one of them convert, which is kind of hard. But yeah, Casey Cortez is a great setter as well.
Yeah, like it.
But it's been rough. It's been. Oh wait, I forgot to mention two more people. Their liberos are great. Fiona Arroyo, Paneng, and Stephanie De Chavez, top tier liberos in this league, man.
How many
But
years pa sila? They're not, no one's
oh,
graduating pa ba?
Fiona is a sophomore.
Sa mga bata,
Stephanie is a
bata.
rookie.
Parang
They're
OKC.
rookie.
Yung, alam mo
Yung
yung
young core
OKC?
nila. Yeah, yung young core
OKC
nila is
yung core.
very, very good. Plus, si Zell nga. But man, it's rough out there.
But that
It's
comes with being a young team. Diba?
but
But Ateneo doesn't know how to close, man. There
It's a
are
closing
have-
thing.
yeah, man.
Oo,
Kasi there are
lalo yung sa
games where
UP in the first
they're
round.
in it eh. May games na andyan sila eh. Kanina, against Adamson, they were in the second set, they were 24-24. And then they lost it. And in the
Dire-diretso
third
na
set,
gano'n na.
they lost by 25-13, so 25-14. A young team type of thing. But man, the elephant in the room has to be addressed to a certain extent, right? People have called for Coach Serio to be
Veloso, sir.
removed from the program. I don't want to comment on it, and if I'm being honest with you guys, I can't comment on it. Out of my
What does
because
Twitter say na lang? What
yeah,
does
but
the public
my
say?
God,
I don't know kasi. I don't follow volleyball
my
Twitter.
God.
Ano
If you
yung
all
from
thought,
volleyball Twitter?
if you remember how a while ago I was telling you guys about how UST fans wanted
Coach
the head
Shaq.
of their assistant coach and
Assistant, sorry.
yeah,
Oo.
Tineo fans don't just want the head of Coach Serio, man. Dude, if I truly believe if Ateneo fans had the opportunity, they probably would have booked the flight on their own.
Bro,
Mag-ambag-ambagan sila. Ambag-ambag sila.
there's only one way to compare. There's only one comparison, and this one you cannot disagree. 2022 Chot Reyes being
Gilas
booed
na
at the
talagang
MOA
ano.
Arena. Ganun na yung level.
That's
man.
how it feels.
Ganun
Yeah,
na yung
that's
levels.
Ganun na yung
exactly
level
how,
na suya ng Ateneo fans kay Coach Sergio
that's
Veloso.
how it feels, man. And again, I won't comment on it because I can't comment on it, and I don't really have much of a say on it either. But man, Graham is so right on this, man. Coach Chot Gilas 2022
That's the perfect
when
comparison.
that is
Dinu
the
siya against
perfect
Saudi.
comparison. Kasi men, these guys are so done with him. They've called him the names that you shouldn't call your anybody, man.
Yeah.
Like it's a bloodbath in there, man. And I don't know. I've heard rumors that it's his last year. I've heard rumors na he's extended for 2 more years. There's a lot. There's a lot. But either way, it's just wow. I believe kasi Ateneo has pieces to be good. Ana Hermosura and Donna De Leon and Gian
Yeah.
Chuatico pa lang, men. They're strong. I really like that trio, man. Plus, Zay Pasha and Zel Chunashima, like I mentioned a while ago. It just hasn't been a good year, man. They're 1-8. They're 1-8 on the
They
season.
beat UE? Yeah, one. Yeah, the one.
Yeah, yun nga yung Manila Classico, di ba?
Is that the Manila Classico now?
It's the Manila
Yeah.
Classico.
Yeah. No, I mean, you're right. But for me, it just boils down to one thing, man. Execution in the winning moments. Yun yung talagang wala. I keep on harping back dun sa UP game dahil sayang yun. These guys know how to start well. They beat UST in set number 1 the last time they met. Kanina they were actually tambak sa set 1, but they were neck and neck. You set number 2, di ba? Ang sakit dun ng talo kanina against Adamson. So it's a matter of execution. In sports, you have to know how to finish because not every game is going to be easy. Hindi na nga madali dahil yung roster nyo is not at its best, diba? Tapos hindi pa kayo marunong mag-finish when you're ahead. So that's tough. But about Coach Serio, it's just probably not the right fit, diba? There's after Coach Tai, medyo malaki talaga yung drop. Actually, no, it's not really that big because Coach O led them to a championship with Dino Wong, Maddie, and the rest of the crew, diba? But after that, yung pag-alis nila Vanny Gandler pala, yun yung talagang it went downhill. Pag-alis ni Gandler, ni Desperos, ni Doromal, y'all were just not really, the Ateneo team that people used to
But
love.
yeah, I don't want to even talk about Ateneo anymore, man. It just hurts so much to talk
I
about.
know. I mean,
But
the rest of the team, UP, I mean, Cassie is hurt. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I really like Cassie, but Jelay Gahera is really good. And
Nina
Nina
Itang.
Itang.
Nina Itang is
Nina
very
Itang,
good.
yeah. Nina Itang is the
That's
best
another
with the
case
best.
of maybe not the right coach. I will say this,
Yeah.
man. I don't know if that rumor was true that he left the arena while they were singing UP
Agad.
na Mahal. Kung totoo yun,
Agad-agad.
that
Ano
is,
to? Si Coach Fabio ba
Si
to?
Coach
yeah,
Fabio.
that's so
Agad-agad.
rude, man.
Yeah.
Come
Alam mong
on.
foreigner eh, no? Alam mong foreigner eh.
Like, I don't
Ah.
care if it's your first year in Ateneo, in UP, man. Dude, sing the song. You know what I mean? Even if you don't know,
Or just
if
stand there. Just be
Just
yeah,
there.
ganun ka lang.
dude,
Yung ganun.
ask any UP person. They don't know the song either. they don't they don't memorize that either, man. After
UP
the first
naming
line,
mahal.
bro, after you go UP naming mahal, after that you
Ah.
go
Sing it even with your backpack uh, na nakasabit sa'yo, di
yeah,
ba? And then just
yeah,
leave right
that's
away.
fine. Like sing with your backpacks. You don't even have to sing. You don't even have to put your hand up. Just stand there. But man, to leave while your school's hymn is playing,
Sandun pa yung team mo.
yes.
Sandun pa yung team.
Yeah, you're supposed to be the head coach of your team, and your team isn't even off the court yet. What are we doing, man? Like, come
There
on.
has to be a post-game huddle too, di ba? Like,
Yeah.
wala na.
So who led the post-game huddle? Si Ninya ba yung
Sabi,
nag-lead
Ninya
ng
siguro, yeah.
Si
Ako na.
Itang na. Ah,
si Itong ba yung
guys.
nag-lead
Ako na.
ng
Ako na lang.
post-game, ano? Come
Yeah.
on, dude.
But man, if Dongalio did not get hurt, they have an
Yeah.
outside chance to get to the
Yeah.
Final Four because they
They were
were
playing well
playing
before she
really
went
well.
down.
I
Oh.
feel really sad for that though. She was really excited to play.
Bumigay tuhod niya, no?
Yeah. Dongalio was what we thought. I mean, Nitura is what we thought Dongalio will be. Because coming out of high school, I covered her sa PNVF. She was really, really parang scouted na.
Does she have like
"Galing tong
Eliza
bata."
potential?
Yes. I mean, people were crowning her the next Eliza Valdez. That's how
Yeah, similar features pa, no? Silang dalawa.
good. Yeah. That's how good.
Similar features. Yung in terms of
Dongalio
build,
was.
athletic build, diba?
Many volleyball players have the same build.
I mean, volleyball
Parang
players
she's-
normally are built the same. You know,
Yeah.
yung
Pero
lalo yung
parang-
mga outside spiker, kakamukha yan.
Actually, yeah, the outside spikers. I was gonna say that. Na parang the outside spiker mold. Ano yung archetype?
Yeah, like it's a
It's an
2K.
archetype.
There's just one body.
When you build your 2K archetype. But yeah, man. And then UE.
UE, alright, yeah, it's
Alright.
yeah,
Fix your program. Fix your sports program bago
I
natin.
think with UE is Graham said something for UE when we did basketball. Same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Fix your program.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, volleyball season's been
I-
fun. Even the men's side has been fun, but
Oh,
obviously,
sina Kennedy Batas, no? Sarap na panoorin.
Travis Kennedy, man, Kennedy's so
Yeah.
funny to watch. But yeah, still a whole lot of games to be played in the second round. We apologize if this came after the first round. We kind of
But we
We've
don't
all
have
been doing a
volleyball
bit-
fans yet. It's gonna be a new set of people.
Yeah, so we
Yeah.
hope you guys enjoyed this. Let us know if you guys want us to keep making content like this, or if you guys want us to stop making content like this.
That's right, yeah.
Either way,
Right.
we're gonna
Very
record.
Very
Either
good
way.
possibility that you guys just were like, "What the heck did these three guys just say?" But let us know if
Bro,
you guys.
I'm telling you,
enjoyed
I can't talk too much kasi akit sa PVL to mga to. And then when they, si Greg pala, gusto niya pala yung mga, gusto niya pala si Kanino, gusto niya pala si, I can't really talk about these players the way I can basketball because I'll never go to the PBA and I'm happy that I'll not go to the PBA, but
Oh.
I'm already in the PBA.
Bro went
so
on a full
I hope you guys
reflection.
understand.
What was this reflection sequence?
Biglang naging ano yun, no? Actually,
Why
siguro
did you
mo gusto
open up?
dun
Why
eh.
did you open up to us in this moment? Graham?
No, all I'm saying is I
What made you
cannot
feel like this was a
speak-
safe space?
All right. Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, that's it.
Alright.
A lot of games to play, and and we already know who the champions are gonna be.
Ateneo. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-Man Podcast here. More volleyball coming your way. Peace.
Hopefully. Adios, amigos.